I am Styles by Patron D, produced by Zenith Productions, and your favorite plus size stylist and sneaker enthusiast is back with another video. And actually, this video is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm really excited about this. So don't forget to go and subscribe, like, comment, and share. I do drop videos on a regular basis, so you definitely want to click the bell. So today I have the Marc Jacobs Tote Bag. This is my first tote bag from MJ. That's what I've been calling him, MJ. And my husband got it for me for Valentine's Day. And y'all know when I do a review, I like to try the items. So it came in this very neutral dust bag, and he got me a very neutral color because that was my biggest thing with like all my purses. I got to change my purses every day because I don't have a neutral purse. And it is like a wicker type material, which I did not have in my purse collection. So I was really excited about that style or the fabric on it. And I will say with this purse will get dirty super easy. And I did wear the purse. Remember, I give reviews after I have worn the item, okay? And my biggest issue with crossbody bags, because that is my favorite type of bag to wear, is the chest test. That's right, I do a chest test. So when I am choosing a crossbody bag, if I'm going into the store or wherever, if that, what is it called? The handle isn't long enough so that actual purse can be on my hip and not like right under my breast, we have something going. So what I mean is that if the handle is long enough where the purse will enter my hip, we got a good bag. If the handle is shorter and then now the bag is like literally like under my boob, that's a problem. So this bag was super important for me to check that out because Marc Jacobs is super expensive. Okay? My husband has been on his DHGate wave, okay? And when he told me he got it from DHGate, I wasn't mad because I like DHGate. I just don't have the time to look for the best links and, you know, the best people you're supposed to get, all of the codes and how you go through it. I just don't have the time for that. And so he does. That's like his specialty. So he got this bag from DHGate. And when I tell you, I got so many compliments on this bag. So people love this bag. It is not leather. And I actually like that about this bag. And baby, when I tell you this bag is already on my neutral colored purse and hat wall already where I stand and do my content, yes. This bag came with 2 pockets inside of the purse. It did not come with like a zip for like change inside the purse, which is completely fine. However, this bag is super deep. So I was actually able to carry my camera, keys, wallet, external batteries, and I got like 3 of them. And they're actually pretty heavy in size. They're not that big, but like they're pretty heavy in weight. And it wasn't too heavy. I didn't feel like it was going to snap off. And then the handle that I would strap around my body, that will make it a crossbody, is super long. It's really long, and it's definitely conducive for my plus size baddies. Okay, I'm a size 22, 24, and it allowed me to wear this Marc Jacobs bag comfortably. Now, this is also the bag you want to wear. You just want to hold the handle. You want to, just put your arm into the handle and hold it on like your forearm. This is that bag too. So that's also a good thing about Marc Jacobs bags is the versatility. Okay, so I honestly could have put like my hygiene items in this bag as like a tote bag because obviously it says the tote bag Marc Jacobs. If that is something you wanted to do. However, I'm wearing it as a fashion statement with my looks, and it goes with every outfit because of the style and the color, which are my favorite. So I did look up on the internet what the actual bag from Marc Jacobs looks like, and it's identical to all of the other bags. So I was like, oh my God, I'm so in love. don't walk but run to DHGate. The link will be in my description, specifically on my Shop My account. I love this bag. I love the way it looks. It didn't have like any smells. I love how deep it was. I love it is a true to size crossbody bag. And you'll see that like it's true to size. I'm going to try it on for you. I'm going to show you, you know, how it looks on me. I'm going to show you as I just wear it as a shoulder bag. So, you know, I could possibly put, you know, my laptop in it, my cell phones, you know, as a woman of stature and business. I am able to wear this bag for all occasions, and that's really what I like about this bag. I don't have too many bags as versatile as the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and I see why everybody has been ranting and raving over this bag, over this style of bag, because I know Marc Jacobs has like the smaller versions, but this style bag is just spot on for me. And so if you are a person, you know, who has a business, who has to carry your electronics with you, this is the bag for that. I definitely feel very comfortable when I wear it as a crossbody bag, because a lot of times I'm not comfortable when I'm wearing a quote unquote crossbody bag, because it really be a titty bag. Yes, a titty bag. The handle be just starting in at the front of my titty to right where the back would be. Okay, and I do not like stuff like that. It looks weird. I feel uncomfortable. You know, no. I don't like that at all. But as you can see, as I'm trying it on different ways with the longer strap, I'm wearing it with my forearm, just holding it onto my forearm as, you know, just like a saddlebag type vibe. And I really, like I said, love this bag. 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend. And again, this is a DHGate find. Okay, a DHGate find. You know what else I love about this bag? I love how easy the handle comes on and off, right? A lot of times I have to like hook it and do all these sorts of things, acrobatics, okay, to get the handle that turns into a crossbody bag on the purse. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But shout out to Marc Jacobs for this bag. And I am looking forward to getting more colors, because this type of bag would just look so good in my collection, like color after color. Real bad. I'm talking about like in my Carisha boys. Real bad. Okay. Now, y'all, like I said, I was feeling myself. I really just needed to vibe out and increase my dopamine, which is why this video does not have a voiceover, and I had to create a voiceover outside of it. But that's my real life. Okay. That's just what it is. Now, Marc Jacobs, you did your big ones. Shout out to DHGate on this bag. And I guess I'm now a DHGate girly. Shout out to DHGate for the bag, because I really love the bag. And when you know better, you do better. Go to DHGate. Don't walk. Run. Run. Okay? Because DHGate is going to get you right every single time. Don't forget, I am Styles by Patron D. Be good on purpose. Y'all be sweet. Smooches.